Hello all fans! Have you ever wondered how to prepare the soil for your plant pots and plant nursery? Well, stay with us because today we are going to learn how to prepare our soil. There are many different types of soil and this is due they have three components: clay, silt and sand. This makes them have different properties, specifically its ability to hold or release water. This is called permeability. Now we are going to prepare our workspace. We are going to put a garbage bag under, so we don't have to disinfect everything later. This sand has a large material and it needs to be very fine. We are going to find a way to filter or sift it to get fine sand. What we are going to do next is to move the sack. So all the large stones are filtered and only the fine sand is left. With the help of the sack, we managed to remove several large stones. But still, we have little stones. Let's try to get the finest we can. This way, we are obtaining very fine sand. Now, let's do a little experiment with the mixes. Let's put some prepared soil. A little bit of vermicompost. And a handful of sand. Let's mix it well. Now we are going to start doing experiments with this soil to see how its permeability works. Here we have our two experiments, our two well-mixed types of soil with the proportions shown on the screen. Let's add some water or moisten them. Now we are going to test permeability with a funnel to see how it drains. This one contains 2 handfuls of sand. And this one, just a handful of sand. Let's see the retaining water difference. This is the soil with less sand, and this one has more sand. See how the water has already been draining or infiltrating? While in this one, the water is still here. Well, that's it for today. See you next time!